called NADH. So तुम यदि ए रिएक्शन को खाली इक्वेशन सिंपली लिखिबो ताले तुम लिखिबो जे C6H12O6 through glycolysis there will be formation of pyruvic acid, pyruvate, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. There will be formation of 2 molecules of ATP, net production of 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH. तमें जदि ताकू टोटल रिएक्शन टाक लिखो सब यूज होगी C6H12O6 plus 2 ATP, then 4 molecules of ATP, then there will be formation of 2 CH3, COOH plus 2 molecules. Net will be 2 molecules. So, 2 molecules of CH3COOH and there will be 4 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of NADH, H plus. So, ताकू टिके हमें जदि इटी ये दिटा कैंसिल कर दबा, then we can write this. So, glycolysis रे pyruvic acid formation है गला, pyruvic acid formation है गला, एटा होची glycolysis step reaction तमको मन रखिया पड़िबो. So this is very important preparatory phase of stage and glycolysis takes place. Where does glycolysis? What is the site of the glycolysis? Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, not in the mitochondria. आमे कहूचे साहब mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but some amount of energy is being produced in the cytoplasm itself. आमे देखोचे दीटा ATP net production है जाऊचे, so some amount of energy is liberated in the process of glycolysis, and this is like this. Also, some energy is also conserved in form of NADH. So, what happens to the fate of this pyruvic acid? Pyruvic acid रो परवर्ती स्टेप रे कौन हो? pyruvic acid. ताको पायरोवेट आमे कहि परियो मु लिखि पकोजे पायरोवेट आमे शॉर्टली पायरोवेट लेको एनी ऑर्गेनिक एसिड ATE लिखिले से हे जो ऑर्गेनिक एसिड. सो पायरोवेट आमे को ये करचे साइट्रेट पायरोवेट एमतिका सब कहूचे aspartate like this. So pyruvic acid is formed and ATP is. So what happens? आपरे कौन हुए? What happens to the fate of this pyruvic acid? In the absence of oxygen, two things happen. Oxygen जदि न मिलिला ताहले there may be alcoholic fermentation or there may be lactic acid formation. Lactic acid formation है परे किंबा alcohol production है परे. So there is lactic acid formation है परे किंबा alcohol lactic acid form है परे. So once pyruvate is produced or complete oxidation है परे, complete oxidation है ये mitochondria को जीवो. तेणु ताकू मु तुमको ये कर दे. Supposing this is the pyruvate is produced in the cytoplasm. मु तुमको कहली जे glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm रे glycolysis होए and a pyruvate रो fate in the absence of oxygen, there may be alcoholic formation. For example, in yeast, a unicellular fungus. Yeast is a unicellular fungus, and here Supposing this is CH3 आर स्ट्रक्चर होची एमती CO मु किछि स्ट्रक्चर दउनी तमे देखि पार बहिरु लेखि स्ट्रक्चर देई पार किंतु सिंपल ए स्ट्रक्चर एया खाली लेखिले तमे जदि 8 नंबर थिबो तमे 6 नंबर पाइबो जदि स्ट्रक्चर देला आउट के अधिक 7 नंबर मिलिबो एवं किंबा 8 रु 8 भी मिल जाई पारे सो CH3COH फर्स्ट स्टेप रे डी कार्बोक्सिलेशन होची सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल लिबरेट होची डी कार्बोक्सिलेशन सो जिते डी कार्बोक्सिलेशन हो गला सेते बेले एसिटाल्डिहाइड फॉर्मेशन हो गला एसिटाल्डिहाइड CH3 CHO CH3 CHO फॉर्मेशन हो गला एंड हियर तमे स्टेप 6 रे जो डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन देखी रिएक्शन डिहाइड्रोजिनेज एंजाइम यूज होकर डिहाइड्रो NADH+ जो रिलीज होता सो से NADH ये यूज है NAD सो यही रिएक्शन ने देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH3 CH2 OH CH3 CH2 so this is an alcohol. This is called alcoholic fermentation. This occur in case of yeast, anaerobic fungus. In the absence of oxygen, this reaction takes place. Another reaction that takes place in the muscle cells or that reaction may take place in case of lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria जो bacteria milk की convert करती to lactose sugar, milk की convert करती the lactic acid रे लैक्टिक एसिड मिल्क थाए जो शुगर था से शुगर ना होची लैक्टोज शुगर से शुगर को आमे यूज करि परिबा नाही ह्यूमन बीइंग कैनॉट यूज दैट इज बीइंग कन्वर्टेड बाय आम गट रे अछि लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया दैट कन्वर्ट्स और आम मसल सेल जेतेबेले डीऑक्सीजनेशन हुए जेतेबेले आमे हेवी एक्सरसाइज करू सेतेबेले मसल जो क्रैम्प हुए ड्यू टू लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ एब्सेंस ऑफ नेसेसिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीजन जो बेसी दरकार हुए सेतेबेले लैक्टिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन हो जाए आम मसल सेल्स हुए सो लैक्टिक एसिड फर्मेशन मसल सेल हो पारे हायर एनिमल कर लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड इट कैन बी डन बाय लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया lactobacillus common example is lactobacillus and in this case lactobacillus in this case directly there is no liberation of carbon dioxide so ये reaction होची pyruvate रू first reaction आमे जो alcohol कलु pyruvate रू होची CH3 CH2 OH and CO2 CH3 the theta molecule pyruvate 2 molecules of pyruvate so there will be formation of 2 molecules of CH3 so there will be formation of CH3 CH2OH and CO2 formation in the case of the lactic acid bacteria or muscle cells there will be directly NADH+ is utilized and there will be formation of NAD and straight away there will be formation of lactate CH3 CHOH COOH that is lactic acid. So this occurs in the absence of oxygen, no oxygen, deoxygenated condition. But when there is aerobic oxygen, Then in mitochondria, aerobic oxidation takes place, that is aerobic respiration takes place, cellular respiration takes place, mitochondria cellular respiration takes place, and there will be formation of CO2, H2O and liberation of energy. So एमती पायरोवेट रो तीन रकम फेट हो पारे. In three ways pyruvate may proceed. In the absence of oxygen, there may be two things may occur, two types of reactions may occur. One is alcoholic fermentation where you will find carbon dioxide is being liberated. You mark the difference. Carbon dioxide in the alcohol, carbon dioxide and alcohol, ethyl alcohol is liberated. Lactic acid, no carbon dioxide is liberated, but there is formation of lactic acid. Another acid is being formed from pyruvic acid. Lactic acid is formed, lactic acid is formed, but here alcohol is formed and carbon dioxide is liberated. Net ATP formation of the two molecules, two molecules of net ATP production. But here the things are different. When oxygenated condition is there, then condition is different. एटा कहती ये एंजाइम ना होची ये जो डिहाइड्रोजिनेज होची, दैट इज acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. ये एंजाइम ना होची कार्बोक्सिलेज, pyruvic carboxylase, pyruvate decarboxylase, pyruvic acid decarboxylation होची. So decarboxylation एठी जो एंजाइम टा होची, that is called lactic acid dehydrogenase. यही तीनटा देख पायरोवेट फॉर्मेशन होची ये साइटोप्लाज्म रे पायरोवेट फॉर्मेशन है. इट में लीड टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड अल्टीमेटली, और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और देयर विल बी ultimately aerobic processor way. Aerobic processor le they have the pyruvic acid is to enter to the mitochondria, and there also a series of reactions occur. That is what is called as the Krebs cycle. That is called Krebs cycle. So we will discuss Krebs cycle. We have completed the glycolysis. That is first phase of cellular respiration, aerobic cellular respiration. Aerobic, when we are discussing the aerobic cellular respiration, second step is the citric acid cycle, or the Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. आमे ताको कहू Krebs cycle. Next step, Krebs cycle, that is also called TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle or TCA cycle. ताको also it is also called as the citric acid cycle, because first product is citric acid in the TCA cycle, that is called TCA cycle. सो कहीं सब साइकिल कह जाए विल डिस्कस दिस Krebs cycle or TCA cycle takes place in mitochondria. Takes place in the mitochondria, so final product of glycolysis is transported into mitochondria. Into mitochondria. So mitochondria रे आउ दीटा काम कंप्लीट हुए. सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन दीटा काम कंप्लीट हुए mitochondria रे. फास्ट रिएक्शन होची फास्ट ये होची कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ पायरुवेट by stepwise removal of all hydrogen atoms and leaving 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. Pyruvic acid structure is CH3COOH. So this is a stepwise removal of all hydrogen atoms. CH3COCOH, all hydrogen atoms, leaving 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. This reaction takes place in the matrix of the, this is the first phase, matrix of the mitochondria. मु mitochondria कही दीटा पार्ट अच्छी गोटे हूँ मैट्रिक्स आ गोटे हूँ मेम्ब्रेनस पार्ट. देन सेकेंड रिएक्शन हूँ पैसेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स as part of hydrogen atoms. Passage of electrons as part of hydrogen atoms to molecular oxygen. So ये actually atmospheric oxygen use होची with simultaneous synthesis of ATP. पिलामाने तमें मन रखिबो ये जो रिएक्शन कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन पायरुवेट by stepwise removal of all hydrogen atoms leaving 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. 3 carbon dioxide 1 2 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. Say reaction takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria, mitochondrial matrix of the mitochondria, and this passage of electrons as part of hydrogen atoms to molecular oxygen with simultaneous synthesis of ATP. This takes place inner mitochondrial membrane. Electron transport हुए inner mitochondrial membrane and ये जो रिएक्शन सब chemical reactions, biochemical reaction takes place in the matrix. तमु कही mitochondria रे ये हला inner membrane. So ये सब होची इनर मेम्ब्रेन आम क्लोरोप्लास्ट लिखुलु लुमेन काली मुझे कहूली आई वाज टेलिंग यू इन द डिस्कशन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इन द फोटोसिंथेटिक फॉस्फोरिलेशन द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम इज इन द lumen part the gradient is created in the lumen part, but here gradient is used between this and in intermitochondrial space outer membrane अछि यही space our inner membrane भितरे there will be gradient create होबो that will discuss later, but यही जो रिएक्शन होची तमे मन रखिबो ए रिएक्शन दीटा पार्ट रे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया रे काम कंप्लीट एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होची दीटा स्टेप प्रोसेस रे वन होची कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ पायरुवेट बाय स्टेप वाइज रिमूवल ऑफ all hydrogen atoms leaving 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. Second was the passage of electron as part of hydrogen atoms to molecular oxygen with simultaneous synthesis of ATP. So यही होचे दीटा रिएक्शन आम आपको कहूचे छोटकरी कहूचे क्रेब साइकिल आपको कहूचे क्रेब साइकिल आना क्रेब साइकिल बिकॉज इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय सर हांस क्रेब्स 1953 Hans Krebs, that's why it is Krebs cycle. Aku ame कहूचे TCA cycle because the tricarboxylic acid, the first acid that is being produced is known as the citric acid. Citric acid is a tricarboxyl, तीनटा carboxyl group अछि COOH तीनटा COH थिवर कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप थिवरु ताको कहते ट्राई कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड साइकिल TCA ट्राई कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड साइकिल ताको also that is called citric acid cycle because in the cyclic process the molecule, the first molecule that is being produced, that is known as the citric acid. That's why that is also called as the citric acid cycle. So pyruvic acid, we have discussed, we have come up to the point that pyruvic acid is formed from the oxidation of glucose. Pyruvic acid is formed, and that pyruvic acid is transported, that is formed in the cytoplasm, and that is transported to the mitochondria. That is transported to the mitochondria. So the transport evapore. First reaction is pyruvic acid. First reaction is pyruvic acid formation of acetyl CoA. Formation of pyruvic acid leads to first reaction hochi, there is formation of acetyl CoA. Before entering to the Krebs cycle, there is formation of acetyl CoA from pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid plus CO2 plus NAD in the presence of magnesium ion, enzyme is pyruvate dehydrogenase. There will be formation of acetyl CoA, CH3, SCOA, acetyl CoA plus pyruvic acid CoA. It is not carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is liberated. CoA, acetyl CoA. These are all coenzymes. So the enzyme name is pyruvic. So this is a very complicated reaction. So many coenzymes are involved, but the enzyme name is pyruvate dehydrogenase. There will be formation of acetyl CoA. So carbon dioxide is liberated and NADH H plus is formed. This is the first reaction after pyruvic acid entering to the inner membrane space. This reaction takes place. Then from here on, this is a 2-carbon compound, CH3COSCOA. Structure is like this. So I am not giving you the structure to make things complicated. I am only explaining what are the acids or the substrates that is used. So acetyl CoA, this is the 3-carbon compound, CH3COCOH. So one molecule of carbon dioxide is liberated, one molecule, remember this. आमको देखा पड़ो आम कहीचे 6 molecules of C6H12O6 6O2 6CO2 6H2O कौटू बाहर ये देख गोटे मॉलिक्यूल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मीन्स दीटा मॉलिक्यूल पायरुविक एसिड अच्छी कारण गोटे ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल ब्रेक कले दीटा 3 कार्बन होची तादर ग्रेजुअली स्टेप वाइज रे दीटा पायरुविक एसिड होची आमे सब बेले 2 तापरठो 2 इंटू करूचे सो दीटा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इट रिलीज होची तमे मार्क कर इठी गोटा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गला आल्सो मार्क दिस हाई एनर्जी compounds are NADH nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is being formed. So आपको तुम्हें mark करो, this is the first reaction. Then we'll come to the cycle, Krebs cycle. Formation of acetyl citrate. Formation of citrate. Acetyl CoA, oxaloacetic acid, OAA. Oxaloacetic acid, OAA, this is a 4-carbon compound, this is a 2-carbon compound, leads to formation of 6-carbon compound, that is called citrate. 6-carbon compound. So OAA, oxaloacetic acid, the enzyme involved here is citrate synthase. SCOA is liberated, this SCOA is liberated and there will be formation of citrate 6 carbon. 2 carbon, ये होची 4 carbon, एमती मिसी जाएगी. So this is a synthetic reaction, enzyme is citrate. So first reaction is citrate synthase. First enzyme is citrate synthase. ता आगुरु हो जाइए गोटे dehydrogenase, pyruvate dehydrogenase, where you remember this, where 2 molecules of carbon dioxide formed and 2 NADH formed. लिखुचे तमे को मन रखिबो. So first enzyme is this. Then next step in this process is isomerization. So formation, or you can call condensation reaction. This is a condensation reaction. Acetyl CoA, oxaloacetate condenses with acetyl CoA to form a molecule of citrate. Number 1, step 1. Step 2, isomerization reaction. isomerization of citrate to isocitrate, of citrate to isocitrate. Isomerization of citrate to isocitrate, this is a two-step reaction, and in the fast reaction enzyme is aconitase. Fast reaction aconitase, enzyme involved is aconitase, and citrate fast undergoes dehydration. That means a molecule of water is removed. Citrate fast undergoes dehydration to form 6-cis-aconitate from citrate. Cis-aconitate is formed. Aconitate. Cis-aconitate is formed, that is an intermediate compound, that is again hydrated. Again one water is removed, then water is also added so that there will be formation of isocitrate. Isocitrate, two-step reaction, aconitase enzyme, fast dehydration, then there will be hydration so that isocitrate will be formed, and then third step is, so second step enzyme is aconitase. Aconitase. Then third step, formation of 2-oxoglutarate. Formation of 2-oxoglutarate. Enzyme involved is isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. So isocitrate is oxidized to oxalosuccinate. Isocitrate is oxidized to oxalosuccinate. And that is oxalosuccinate is decarboxylated to 2-oxoglutarate. So enzyme involved here is step 3 reaction is that is isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. Step 4. This 2-oxoglutarate, from 2-oxoglutarate there is formation of succinyl CoA. Formation of succinyl CoA. So oxoglutarate, enzyme involved is oxoglutarate dehydrogenase. Oxoglutarate dehydrogenase. So what happens here? CO2 is released, NAD is reduced. So एठी गोटा NAD reduce होउची and H plus formation होउची, CO2 release होउची, एठी पुणे CO2 release होउची, NAD CO2 release होउची. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, oxoglutarate, एटा 6 थिला 5 हे गला 5 रोटी 4 हे गला सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सक्सिनिल CoA formation of succinyl CoA then formation of succinate next step is formation of succinate succinyl CoA through succinate thiokinase so here is a kinase enzyme आमे kinase enzyme देखिथिले glycolysis रे but here is also एक kinase enzyme succinyl CoA through succinyl thiokinase GDP in case of animals plant रे ADP so in case of plants ADP PI there will be formation of succinate and formation of ATP so here 5 number reaction होची enzyme होची succinyl thiokinase number 6 formation of fumarate formation of fumarate that is from succinate enzyme involved is succinate dehydrogenase so succinate here the hydrogen acceptor is FAD not NAD FAD succinate dehydrogenase so there will be formation of fumarate and formation of FADH2 FADH plus then from fumarate to malate hydrolytic reaction fumarate to malate and that is a fumarase enzyme is fumarase and fumarate with H2O there will be formation of malate then step 8 from malate the malate is oxidized to oxaloacetate that is dehydrogenation reaction oxidized to the formation of oxidized to form so the here is also another dehydrogenase सो तमें जदि ताकू सीरियली लिखिबो कौन सब एसिड फॉर्मेशन होईची तमें आरंभ कल मन कर इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम pyruvate there is formation of acetyl CoA OA combines there will be formation of citrate from citrate there will be formation of isocitrate from isocitrate from isocitrate there will be formation of oxoglutarate, from oxoglutarate there will be formation of succinyl CoA, succinate, from succinate there will be fumarate to malate, and from malate dehydrogenation oxaloacetate. So this is a cyclic manner. This is 6 carbon, this is 6 carbon, this is 5 carbon, this is 4 carbon, this is 4 carbon, this is 4 carbon, 4 carbon, 4 carbon. So 4 plus 2 again, that 4 carbon compound is again rejuvenated, reformed. So this is a cyclic process. That's why since it goes on in a cyclic manner, this is called cyclic, the Krebs cycle or TCA cycle or citric acid, because fast synthetic product in the process of synthesis, fast product is citrate. So this is called synthesis. So if you will see the enzymes, first enzyme is citrate synthase, second is aconitase, or you can say isocitrate, isomerase enzyme is there, second, third is isocitrate dehydrogenase, सेठी गोटा कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल मु प्रथम कही पायरोवेट रु जो एसिटिल CoA फॉर्मेशन होची कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल गोटे लिबरेट होची गोटे नुहे दुईटा 1 into 2 दुईटा पायरोविक एसिड मॉलिक्यूल दुईटा इठी दुईटा चारिटा रिलीज हला and then next step oxoglutarate is a 5 carbon compound that break down करची dehydrogenation decarboxylation and dehydrogenation, then carbon dioxide liberate होची. So 2 2 4 6टा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहरी पड़ेला 6टा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिबरेट होगला आम जो रिएक्शन देचे 6 CO2 6टा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पड़ेला बट एंजाइम होची एमती का साइट्रेट अकोनिटेज और जी आइसोमरेज isocitrate dehydrogenase, oxoglutarate dehydrogenase, succinyl thiokinase, where substrate level phosphorylation occurs. Here FAD, succinate dehydrogenase, FAD, and here again another NAD. So तमे देखो केतटा NADH formation होची इठी गोटे NADH 1 इठी गोटे आइसोसाइट्रेट गोटे NADH इठी आ गोटे NADH इठी गोटे FAD इठी गोटे NADH. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. चारिटा जगह रे होची. So and गोटे जगह रे FAD होची. गोटे जगह रे FAD होची आउ चारटा जगह रे होची NAD. आ गोटे जगह रे होची सबस्ट्रेट लेवल फॉस्फोरिलेशन जतले सक्सिनिल CoA रु सक्सिनेट होची देयर विल बी थायोकाइनेज एंजाइम इज देयर. मु कोची काइनेज जोड थिबो सिटी ATP फॉर्मेशन हबो और ATP ब्रेक डाउन हबो. डिहाइड्रोजनेज जोड थिबो सिटी NAD गोटे जदी हाइड्रोजन आयन मॉलिक्यूल लिबरेट करची रिलीज करची आ गोटे हाइड्रोजन एक्सेप्ट करची. सो reaction process is like this. So प्रत्येक NADH में formation means तीनटा NAD ATP formation होची एम 4 12टा ATP and FAD होची दीटा 14टा and substrate level phosphorylation गोटे 15टा ATP दुईटा molecule pyruvic acid means 30टा ATP molecule formation होची सेठी 6टा किंबा 8टा ATP होची ग्लाइकोलिसिस रे एमदी 38 नेट प्रोडक्शन. सो यही जगह गुड़ा को तमें मन रखियो. मो पॉइंट होची प्रथम होची condensation reaction, citrate formation, then there will be a formation of isomerase enzyme, isocitrate, then there will be decarboxylation and dehydrogenation, then there is another decarboxylation and dehydrogenation. So 4 carbon compound is formed, 6 carbon dioxide chaligala, succinyl CoA form hela, succinyl CoA रे substrate level phosphorylation hela, succinate hela, succinate रे dehydrogenation hela, खाली dehydrogenation, so fumarate formation hela, fumarate formation बड़े जे hydrogen acceptor is FAD, hydrogen carrier is the electron carrier is FAD, then fumarate to malate, malate to say एटा कौन थी some hydrolytic reaction जो succinate to fumarate, fumarate to malate and malate to dehydrogenation hela, then there will be formation of oxaloacetate. So ये होची TCA cycle that takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. Mitochondria तमे जदि overall reaction को लिखिबो, ये overall reaction लिखिबो तमे पाइबो एमती का गोटे result equation. You will find an equation like this. If you will write the overall reaction, pyruvic acid, we started with pyruvic acid, that is the end product of glycolysis. Pyruvate, ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁଛି short କରିଦେଉଛି pyruvate, pyruvic acid, 4टा जगह NAD, 4टा जगह गोटे हूँ पायरोभेट रू जिते एसिटिल CoA होची, गोटे हूँ ऑक्सोग्लूटारेट, गोटे हूँ सक्सिनिल CoA, गोटे हूँ 3 गला, गोटे हूँ मैलेट्रू OA जिते फॉर्मेशन होची 4टा NAD गोटाए जगह FAD. सो से को मु लिखुची 4 NAD plus 1 FAD plus गोटाए जगह सक्सिनेट रू जिते फॉर्मेशन होची सक्सिनेट रू fumarate, FAD is the hydrogen acceptor, then 2H2O, दुईटा जगह हाइड्रोलिसिस होची 2H2O, गोटे सबस्ट्रेट लेवल फॉस्फोरिलेशन होची ADP PI. टोटल जदि क्रेब साइकिल को देखिबा एया रिएक्शन होईची, कारण जो OA रे स्टार्ट करथिले से OA को हमें पाई गले. वी स्टार्टेड विथ पायरुवेट, 4टा NAD, FAD, 2H2O, ADP, PI हमें इतकी ऐड करिचे, and this takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial matrix, and there will be formation of 3CO2. 3 means दीटा पायरुवेट जदि हेगला 6 हे जीवो, हम 6 को 6 पाई गले 3CO2 plus 4 NADH, 4H plus 1 FAD plus 1 FADH2 and 1 ATP. So ये होची रिएक्शन क्रेब साइकिल ले. दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. आम या को नहीं करी यूज करिया. वी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम and oxidative phosphorylation. Electron transport system or ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन एते बेले जाए आमे सबू देखिले आमे पाउचे एटीपी रिलीज होची किछि एटीपी रिलीज होची कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिबरेट होची बट एते बेले जाए आमे देखिने ऑक्सीजन यूज होची आमे कहूचे दिस इज एन एरो एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन इज यूटिलाइज्ड इन दिस प्रोसेस एते बेले जाए आमे देखिना सो यही स्टेप रे एक्चुअली ऑक्सीजन is utilized. So this is called electron transport system, ETS, electron transport system. Electron transport system and oxidative phosphorylation. So ମୁଁ କେତେଟା point କହିବି first point respiratory process is to release and utilize energy stored in NADH, H plus and FADH चारटा NAD पांचटा बोधे होइछि आ गोटे क्रेब साइकिल हेतला NADH H plus energy stored in NADH, H plus and FADH. Respiratory process is in the respiratory process energy stored in NAD, H plus and FADH is released and utilized. These are oxidized. These are now reduced form. These are oxidized through electron transport system. And passed on to oxygen resulting in the formation of water. These are passed oxidized through electron transport system and passed on to O2, atmospheric oxygen, molecular oxygen resulting in the formation of H2O. The metabolic pathway through which electron passes from one carrier to another is called electron transport system. The metabolic pathway through which electron passes from one carrier mu carrier na sabu likhibi but now I am telling you the point the metabolic pathway through which electron passes from one carrier to another is called electron transport system and it is present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ रिएक्शन क्रेब साइकिल होची मैट्रिक्स रे इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन होची इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट अल्टीमेट रिएक्शन ऑफ एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. So from NADH produced in the matrix during TCA cycle are oxidized by NADH dehydrogenase complex. प्रथम पॉइंट NADH, the NADH produced the reduce हो जाइए वर्तमान NADH produced in the matrix. So NADH matrix रे कैप साइकिल है मु चारटा देखली NADH चार जगह रही से those NADH produced in the matrix during TCA cycle are oxidized by NADH dehydrogenase. एंजाइम ना होची NADH dehydrogenase. That is complex 1. चारटा का पांचटा complex अच्छी. So this is complex 1. And this is the electrons are transferred to ubiquinone located within inner membrane. So inner membrane जदि एमती कहा inner membrane thickness जदि हम this is the intermembrane space. Intermembrane आ गोटे outer membrane अच्छी intermembrane space. This is the matrix of mitochondria. एटा होची inner membrane. एटा होची inner membrane. एटा होची outer membrane. This is the inner membrane. तार thickness होची micrometer रे. So micron ने. So ये जो thickness तार भीतर होची. So transport to ubiquinone located within inner membrane. Ubiquinone also receives ubiquinone को supposing ubiquinone also receives from reducing equivalents from FADH2. ये NAD रू NADH रू dehydrogenase complex 1 नु receive करे ubiquinone also receives from FADH2 complex. FADH2 dehydrogenase, that is FADH dehydrogenase, that is called complex 2. Ubiquinone dita complex रू receive करे either NADH dehydrogenase रू or FADH dehydrogenase रू. From ubiquinone, the electrons move to cytochrome C via cytochrome BC1 complex. Third complex ना होची cytochrome BC1 complex. That is called complex 3. Complex 3. Cytochrome C is a small protein. Cytochrome C is a small protein attached to the outer surface of inner membrane. Outer surface, outer surface of inner membrane. Outer surface of the inner membrane acts as the mobile carrier for transfer of electrons between complex 3 and complex 4. So, A2 complex 3 रू complex 4 को carrier पे एटा mobile carrier cytochrome C. मु तार करिबी चित्र. सो तमे ए complex मन रखो. प्रथम complex ना हला NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductase. प्रथम complex रे रहिला ताकू कहंती complex 1 NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductase. First complex 1 NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductase. Second complex होची complex 2 होची. So ये जो complex रू electron passes on electrons from coenzyme Q, that is ubiquinone, to flavin mononucleotide. So from ubiquinone also receives complex 2 रू. Complex 2 रू also receive करे. So that is complex 2. Complex 2, that is called FADH2 ubiquinone complex. Second complex ना हला FAD ubiquinone complex. Third complex ना हला cytochrome C reductase. Cytochrome C1 iron sulfur is also present there. So complex 3 रे रहुचे these things. Cytochrome B, cytochrome C1, iron sulfur protein. Complex 4 होची cytochrome oxidase. Say complex 3 रे cytochrome reductase. Complex 3 रे cytochrome reductase and complex 4 रे cytochrome oxidase. cytochrome reductase, complex 4 is cytochrome oxidase. साइटोक्रोम ऑक्सीडेज कॉम्प्लेक्स गुड़ा एमती का सब अच्छी तुम जब तार टिके डायग्राम कर चित्र ठीक से कर मुझे बुझेबा कहबी तो चारिटा कॉम्प्लेक्स रहा केतक बही अच्छी 5टा कॉम्प्लेक्स जो एटीपी सिंथेसिस एटीपेज को कहती कॉम्प्लेक्स 4 ऑल्सो इन सम बुक्स यू विल फाइंड देयर इज अनदर कॉम्प्लेक्स where ATP due to the gradient we are discussing proton gradient due to proton gradient where the ATP synthesized F0 F1 ATPase जोटी अच्छी सेटा complex 4 कहती तमें एमती करिवो supposing this is the thickness of the टिके मोटागिरी करिवो inner membrane. This is the thickness of the inner membrane. एटी अच्छी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर ता ना होची FMN फ्लेविन मोनोन्यूक्लियोटाइड FMN. So NADH2 NADH H plus electron pass कला FMN को गला. So from here it goes to ubiquinone. Ubiquinone is towards the एटा होची intermembrane space एटा होची outer membrane एटा भीतरटा होची inner membrane तळगु रहिला matrix of the mitochondria. So इयाडू NADH गला जाइकरे ubiquinone गला ए ubiquinone को also this is complex 1. This is complex 1. मु very simplified version ने कहूची it also can receive electrons from FAD H2. So here also ubiquinone गला एटा होची गोटा mobile carrier and एठी देखियो ये H प्लस को आकु ये इंटरमेम्ब्रेन स्पेस रे छाड़ दउची हाइड्रोजन आयन को. दिस इज ए मोबाइल कैरियर and it only receives the electrons and ubiquinone को रो वाला next complex is called ubiquinone is a mobile carrier soluble in lipid diffuses through the hydrophobic interior of the membrane. So this is the interior of membrane thickness. So ता देखिरी वसियो. So next mobile carrier होची electron transport system होची that is called cytochrome B1. So एठी गला and it needs ubiquinone only receives electrons not protons. So protons are liberated in the intermembrane space but this cytochrome BC1 to be reduced they need protons. So they accept electrons from ubiquinone and protons from the matrix. So then there is another carrier that is called cytochrome C. That is another mobile carrier, cytochrome C. So this also needs only electrons, no protons. So protons are liberated here. Protons are liberated here. H plus ions are liberated here, and then there will be cytochrome A3 complex. Cytochrome A3 that is copper sulfur protein. So here cytochrome C reductase that is cytochrome A3 complex. So a charity complex and ultimately there will be here also half O2, it will get reduced and there will be formation of H2O, and ultimately you will find gradually there will be gradient intermembrane space, there will be high concentration of protons, and in the matrix of the mitochondria there will be less. So there will be less protons, then there will be a gradient and they will tend to move through it. Eta kohandi F0 part which is embedded, and F1 part, F0, F1 ATPase through F0 ATPase. This hydrogen ion when comes into the matrix, through ATPase enzyme, there will be ATP synthesis. This hypothesis is called chemiosmotic hypothesis, proposed by Peter Michel in the year 1963. And this is the formation of that is phosphorylation, and these are the complexes and cytochrome A3, that is ultimate acceptor of hydrogen ions. So hydrogen atmospheric oxygen is ultimately utilized. Last step, but this provides a driving force. This is a very important process, and by the formation of water molecule, there will be a gradient of proton ions, hydrogen ions, the interior of the membrane and the matrix, and that will tend to move into the matrix through ATPase enzyme, F0, F1 ATPase, and when it is moving in the direction of the gradient, there will be ATP synthesis. So this is the electron transport system, and in this process there is phosphorylation, this is called through the process of oxidation. This phosphorylation occurs through the process of oxidation, so this is called oxidative phosphorylation. So you should remember, students, there are three processes of phosphorylation. One is called oxidative phosphorylation. Through the process of oxidation, major amount of ATP is formed through oxidative formation, particularly through aerobic respiration process, and another phosphorylation is called substrate level phosphorylation. That occurs, you must have marked, when 1,3-bis phosphoglyceric acid is converted to 3-phosphoglyceric acid, and when phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to pyruvate, there are two molecules in Krebs cycle, and also when succinyl CoA is converted to succinate, there is formation of one ATP molecule, and their substrate is converted. The structure of the substrate molecule is converted in such a way that there is liberation of high energy, and that is conserved in the formation of ATP molecule. So that is called substrate level phosphorylation. And third type of phosphorylation we have discussed in the photosynthesis, that is called photosynthetic phosphorylation. So these are the three processes. Photosynthetic phosphorylation, students, these are the three processes only through which energy currency is conserved in the living cells. There is no other process. So cellular respiration mostly oxidative, and substrate level occurs, no photosynthetic phosphorylation, but in the chloroplast molecule photosynthetic phosphorylation occurs. So this is the process of aerobic respiration. So we have covered anaerobic respiration, glycolysis is otherwise called as the anaerobic respiration, and there may be formation of ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. So these are as a whole I have given you some idea about the respiratory process. You can read your textbook and you can get the final idea about this process. It is a very complicated, but I have given you in a very simplified way. You can remember and you can consult your textbook, students. Thank you.